Hi, I'm attorney Althea Prince, managing partner of the Prince Firm LLC, and I just exposed my business on BizLinks TV network. Learn more about protecting your civil rights and also how to renew DACA and apply for other immigration benefits. Coming up on our episode of That's My Biz on BizLinks TV. We are primarily focused on immigration and civil rights work.
Okay, so the immigration. Okay, so that takes that niche and then brings it down even more succinctly,
Yes.
Which is great because you want someone typically who has that expertise in what you need, as opposed to looking at someone that just does kind of everything.
Absolutely.
Okay, so we're saying civil rights case. So let's talk about let's just go back to civil first. So civil versus criminal are the kind of the two big areas that are usually covered.
Yes.
So civil, tell me kind of what all falls under a civil case.
So civil cases are usually where party A is engaged in litigation with party B. Typically, no one will go to jail as a result. No one is in danger of having to be on probation and the like.
Okay.
It's usually some sort of, you're seeking either money damages, and my practice is litigation based, which is even more specific than general civil.
Okay.
If I'm to be more specific.
So general civil will be like there's some dispute between the two parties. You said you owe me this, you were going to pay me this, and you didn't pay it to me, and things like that. Mm-hmm. That's what more general is.
Definitely general.
Okay.
Now, a lot of attorneys, even on the civil side, will do transactional work.
Okay.
So they'll, for example, draft contracts.
Okay.
And I do very little drafting.
Okay.
My work is primarily, you've been sued, you're about to be sued,
or
you want to avoid being sued.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
And so, and even within the general civil, there are probably a variety of cases that my firm doesn't handle.
Okay.
And we will, because again, I do agree with you, and I believe that your audience should know, you really want, your case is best served by an attorney who specializes in that particular area, in whatever your need is.
Okay.
That person is most familiar with the laws and with how to efficiently and effectively move your case along.
Okay.
So, so for example, we get calls all the time for, I want to sue my job because they wouldn't give me my FMLA leave.
Okay.
Right? And so like labor and employment matters, for example, we don't handle.
Okay.
And we're happy to refer those types of cases and other types of cases that we don't necessarily handle off to other attorneys.
Okay. Love that. I mean, and I already hear the crossover when we were even talking about small businesses, and because having that niche, it just makes such a difference, and we can't do everything, and so many businesses attempt to do everything. You don't need to. So, and the same thing on the professional side when you're talking about the law firms, and because there's a lot of laws out there. So
there are, and ideally you want an attorney who knows the laws of that particular area.
Okay.